Hello everyone, welcome to the Logging Aid channel. Today, for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can sign in into your Epic Games account. Now to begin with, first of all, you need to open the Epic Games on the browser. For that, open any browser on your PC, then open a new tab and on the search bar, type in epicgames.com and press enter. Once you open the web page, you can see there in the top corner the sign in option. You click on sign in, then here you can see the option of sign in. You can sign in with your email address in Epic Games. You can either sign in with other social medias like sign in with Facebook, sign in with Google, sign in with Xbox Live, sign in with PlayStation Network, sign in with Nintendo account and your Steam and Apple account. You can get logged in into your account through these social media by one click. If you click on sign in with Facebook, you will get directly signed in into your account as your Epic Game account is linked with the Facebook account. But we will be signing in with the email address. So click on sign in with Epic Games. Now here you need to provide the email address and the password to get logged in. I'm gonna type in my password in here. Then type in your password. Once you've provided both the details, you click on login now. Right after you click on login, you will get logged in into your Epic Games account. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how you can log in into the Epic Game account of yours. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.